Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Based on the recent discussions and happenings in the defense field, we know very clearly that the priority would be given to submarines and not for the aircraft carrier, which has been in planning for a long time. The Indian Navy has informed the government of its requirement to build 6 nuclear powered attack submarines to counter challenge in the Indo Pacific region, and very soon a clearance would be given for the same. Indian government is about to approve the construction of the first 3 nuclear attack submarines, while the other 3 submarines will be sanctioned at a later stage, and it is said that these next 3 submarines would be far more advanced than the first 3. These 6 nuclear powered attack submarines are being built under a project called Project 75 Alpha, and initially 3 submarines are planned to undergo the construction in 2023 to 2024, while another set of 3 will get clearance later. The first submarine is expected to enter service in 2032 tentatively. These submarines belong to the attack submarine or hunter killer submarine category. So what actually are such submarines which belongs to attack submarine? These types of attack submarines are specifically designed for the purpose of attacking and sinking other submarines or ships. The design part is being taken care by the Submarine Design Group of Directorate of Naval Design, and it will be assisted by DRDO. These submarines would be indigenously built in the shipbuilding center at Vishakhapatnam. Even though the design part is being taken care by India, it looks like Indian Navy would be going for the pump jet propulsion system that was developed for the French Navy's Barracuda class nuclear attack submarines. A pump jet propulsion system creates a jet of water to power a submarine forward and also produces less cavitation, which is the steam of bubbles or voids created by traditional propellers. Less cavitation means an even lower acoustic signature for the submarine. Even though the propellers would be provided by France, it is said that these propellers would not be the same since the hull of upcoming submarines might differ in size and shape, so the propellers needs to be fine-tuned to the pump jet system. The main reason for Indian Navy showing interest in such propellers, which is coming from France, is to make the nuclear submarines quieter and more stealthy. And not only that, it will also reduce the acoustic levels. Presently, the Indian Navy has only one SSN submarine, which is called INS Chakra, and we know that India has leased the INS Chakra submarine from Russia. The INS Chakra is the most capable submarine of the Indian Navy, as it can reach a depth of approximately 500 meters, while other submarines of Indian Navy can reach only 300 meters. Since India is a traditional user of Russian nuclear submarines, the new domestically built submarines would be the third class of SSN operated by Indian Navy after the leased Charlie 1 and Aquila 2 class submarines. The weight of these submarines will be approximately 6,000 tons, and these advanced submarines will cost around 15,000 crores rupees each. The total development cost of all 6 Project 75 Alpha submarines will be around 1.2 lakh crores. Coming to armaments, it is said that these submarines would be equipped with Varunastra heavyweight torpedo, Nirbhay, BrahMos 2 land and anti-ship cruise missiles. So that was a quick update on the latest happening in the field of defense and related to the submarine category of Indian Navy. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Welcome back